Welcome back to Mongo's Garage. Today, Kenny got in here right after work, started sanding on the inside of the cab. The little floor's done. Firewall's not done yet, that still needs finished. Backside's all done, and the roof is all done. Chassis is almost ready for some color.
All right, everybody, we're going to stop the video right here, and I'm not going another step forward until you go down there and hit that subscribe button. I got all night. I'll just sit here and wait. You do it yet? How about now? Done yet? All right, come on, hit it. Hey, there you go. All right, let's get going again. Come on, get back to work.
Still gotta do the body work on this fine little edge right here. Do it around the back too, as if you guys saw on this side. Started doing some body work here. It's not the best, it's probably my first or second time applying it. Here's the dash. It looks a little different. There's no metal on it anymore. There's one piece, there's another piece. Walk over here, here's another piece. So yeah. Kenny was pretty busy today. And I'll show you something we else got in. Bam! Some brand new headlights for Pat, LED. I'm tired of going to work every morning not being able to see anything, so I bought me some LEDs. Here's one of the covers that it sits in. Painted it all up, made it look nice and pretty. So, it's coming along.
Hey, what's going on, YouTube? You got the old Mongo man out here in the garage tonight. It is Thursday night, probably about 10:15. I wasn't planning on coming out tonight, but I did anyway. So let's take a look and see what I got done. Went ahead and got some of the mud done on the cab corners. You can see here's the passenger side. That's actually the second coat already. Got that little section on the floor done that you'll end up seeing whenever it's all put back together. And the driver's side cab corner itself has got what's the third layer of mud on there. You guys saw KJ's first layer that he put on, and I sanded it down, put my layer on, got it sanded down, and then put one more on. The inside of the cab is just about completely done. We got to do some more on the floor, but as far as the roof and everything, swing around here, it all looks pretty good. I still got some work up here to do, but it is what it is. And then we got to get the cowl, inside of the cowl done. We can get this thing primed and ready for paint. Hopefully Saturday we'll have this all completely painted and done. That way I can start reassembling it. KJ did get the dash apart. He took all the structure out of the dash and got it all painted black. That's ready to go back together, but I need to finish stripping the dash out so that we can turn it over and paint it blue with the interior paint that I haven't bought yet, that need to get. And the only bad part about doing this body work after we painted everything black is the dust is now on everything. But it's gonna get dirty anyway. Like we said, it's gonna be a daily. It's just a matter of cleaning it, that's all. So yeah, that's what we got done tonight, Thursday evening. Tomorrow night, KJ has a game. After the game, I do plan on coming out and getting probably those cab corners finished and getting the rest of the interior of the cab probably sanded out. And that way, Saturday, we can come out and get everything primed. And once it's in primer, just scuff it down with some Scotch-Brite and get the blue on it. So hopefully Saturday, we'll have her all done. Say goodbye to the people, KJ.
See ya.
Are you awake?
No.
No? You with us?
No, I'm a living ghost.
Living ghost.
Yep.
All right, everybody, we're out for tonight. Talk to you later. Mongo is out.